Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I took a long time to upload. That's because I didn't know what content to put up. I didn't want to put something just for the sake of it. I wanted to get some good content. I'm still confused on what to put up. I know you guys are expecting the race between the Cruise and the MG ZS EV. As I've told you, I've not got an option to take out the cars out, and even Mache was telling the same thing. We don't have a place to safely do it, and we are still on a lookout for it. Once we get that, we will surely be doing that. And about my headlights on my Cruise, it's completely fixed. It's like brand new. I gave it to Guli Automobiles in Mysore, and they did an excellent job. It now the right one feels newer than the left one, so that's the funny story. You can see it right now. The headlights are so bright and so good. So yeah, love them. So this video, as I've mentioned in the title, is an update on my MM540 after the modifications. If you have not watched that video, the link here is up here. I'll also leave the other videos on my MM540 in the description below. All the videos that I've done till now on the MM540. The Jeep is parked behind me, but I don't think you can see it clearly because it's very sunny right now. So yeah, all the things that have gone bad, what and all problems the Jeep has given me, I want to mention all that. So after the modifications till now, the Jeep has not given me any problem, guys. I know by my expression you might have thought that it's become a headache. No, there has been not a single problem ever since. The front bumper that I have installed has a small bend because one day when a truck had come here to unload something, it got stuck and we wanted to pull it out. So I tied the rope around the bumper and I pulled. And as I've mentioned previously in all my videos, the bumper is a very bad quality bumper. It just looks good, but the strength is merely there. So it got bent, and the light next to that bend is conked. I got those lights from Amazon. So on one side it's perfect, the other side it's gone, maybe because of the water or something. I've already got another one replacement for it. It cost 600 bucks or something. I'll leave the link to that in the description. I trust that brand because the brightness is excellent. And we had to shave down the backside of it to fit that area. That's why mostly the heat dissipation is less, which is why it got conked. So yeah, I trust that brand. I have to get it fixed, that's all. Just let it be for now. Other than that, there is no issues at all with the Jeep. Obviously, because it's an old Jeep, needs some greasing time to time, and that we keep getting it done most of the time. Other than that, there is absolutely no issues, no sounds whatsoever. The performance is still the same. I don't like this exhaust which is there right now. I like the previous exhaust that we got when the vehicle was modified. But yes, because here they are using it only for the estate purpose to take our guests who come to our homestay. If you have not watched the homestay video, here is the link to that. It's Riavar Luxury Homestay. Yeah, so whoever comes here, the guests, we take them to the estate in the Jeep. So for their convenience, we are using this silencer. So usually in Coorg every year there is a motocross event and autocross event, I should say. It's a mud event where the vehicles go and do rallies. It's autocross, yeah. So usually in the Jeep section, I like to participate. So I have participated twice or thrice. I'll try to leave the photos here. So yeah, I enjoy autocross participation, but due to Corona, it's almost been 2 years now without any event. So if that event was there, I would have 100% covered it. There's also off-road events that take place, but now only free runs and free events were going on. Now that's also not there. So we have to wait till December because that time the slush is more and off-road events take place. So whatever there is, I will 100% take part and you guys can be a part of it. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for more amazing content coming your way with the Jeep. So, and also that bell icon, don't forget to click on it because you'll get notified on every new upload of mine. Most of you guys don't get reminded because you have not clicked that bell icon, so don't forget that. So there is no problem at all. So the Jeep has come out really well, and there's no complaints. Even everything, the engine also, there has been no complaints. I think we have to get a oil change done, because I think it's done 10,000 kilometers after we have done the changes and all that. But yes, guys, overall the experience has been great. If you guys, I know many of you have contacted me to get your Jeeps modified and engine swapped and all. So it's a good to go thing for you guys, because my experience has been top notch. And even the fiberglass roof, there are no cracks or anything, it's all in good shape. Okay, guys, so I think I'll end this video with that's all, nothing else. If any other modification is coming to the Jeep, I'll surely uh, be happy to let you guys know. If you guys are getting the off-road tires, I'd like to put one small information here. Those tires get only 20 psi of air in it, not more. So if you guys have it and your Jeep is bumping a lot, do remember this point. Share this video with your friends who have Jeeps or any other vehicle with off-road tires. The air should be only 20 psi, so that the ride is smooth. Otherwise it's going to bump like anything, and you're not going to have a comfortable ride. So one of my the guys who fit the tires, he's a professional, he told me this, and I'm just passing on the information. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content coming your way. And yes, I almost forgot. I'm going to leave a link to the Google Forms down below, where you guys can ask me any question, automotive or me and Pranalika, anything you like. You can keep it anonymous, because I won't ask your names like my previous questionnaire. So if you're interested in that, questions below, because last time I did not answer automotive related questions. So here is the link. You can go and ask me the questions for anything regarding automotive, and I love to answer. I know I answer to all of you on comments as well as Instagram, but there may be a few of you who don't like to reveal your name while asking questions. So this is for those guys. So bye bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video was not too long. See ya.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you